Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Putri Marlina Nurwati with student number 21 and last number 114. Okay, in this video I will present the assessment for the Human Resource Management course. My topic is the impact of human resource management practices on organizational performance. The first about introduction. In the recent years, the world has witnessed an upsurge in the globalization where the economics of many countries are interlinking to promote foreign trade through technological advance and connectivity. This upsurge has also fueled the increased rivalry in the national and foreign market that has future encouraged the organization in hiring and retaining highly talented workers. Next, about objective. Reported that objective of this research is to examine the relation between human resource management practices and performance of an organization in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. Next, about problem. Problem number 1. Several companies are dependent on their employees to gain advantage in the competitive market. Problem number 2. Despite the single domestic culture and exclusive qualities of the workforce market in the particular region. Problem number 3. In the Kurdistan region of Iraq, organizations have no more freedom to travel around or do things they want to do than they already have. Next, about methodology. The current research utilizes quantitative research method as the research approach as it will be best to evaluate the impact of human resource management on government institution performance and also identify the variable and its exertion in the current research. The study makes use of primary data collection methods. The primary data collection method involved in this research in survey by utilizing Likert scale as a data collection device. Sampling continues are used to collect the primary data from the defined target population by using various sample methods. Okay, next about data analysis. Data analysis first, data reliability analysis. The reliability analysis of the current study. The researcher used 5 different human resource management practices as independent variables to measure the influence on organizational performance in government institutions. Next, data correlation analysis. Correlation is technique for investigating the relationship between two quantities. Continuous variable and presence correlation coefficient R is a measure of the strength of the association between the two variables. Next, data multiple regressions. Multiple regressions also allow determining the overall fit of the model and the relative contribution of each of the predictor to the total variance explained. Okay, next about discussion. Hypothesis 1. Incentive is positively associated with organizational performance was rejected because incentives were found to be not associated with the organizational performance. Hypothesis 2. Employee training is positively related to organizational performance was rejected because the most essential employee performance factor is training. Hypothesis 3. Selective hearing is positively associated with organizational performance was rejected because and it was found out that selective hearing was not positive associated with organizational performance. Next, hypothesis 4. Job security is positively associated with organizational performance was rejected because the p-value was recorded to be less than 0.05 and it was concluded that job security is not significantly associated with the organizational performance. Hypothesis 5. Decentralization is positively associated with organizational performance was achieved because the p-value was recorded to be more than 0.05. 3. 4. The null hypothesis was achieved and the alternate was achieved. And last, about conclusion. The relationship between the human resource management practices and the organizational performance has been judged differently by varying resources and research. Several previous research have explained that there is an association between human resource management practices and the organizational performance. Human resource management is regarded to influence skill, abilities, attitudes, behavior, and knowledge of employee and therefore may influence the organizational performance. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.